Let's talk about BNB. BNB has been popular all time around, and it's been one of my biggest regrets I didn't get more. Going to 1,300 just shows what's possible. TradingView made a new channel that I wanted to cover, you guys. I hope it's fine if I review their video. But let's talk about their prices, because they actually go very in detail on XRP and BNB and everything like that.
Year, using this tool for my crypto spot trading. It's called TradingView. Code. And in the future, I'll be making deeper.
So this is where they actually make a trading analysis better than mine. BNB breakout alert.
70% probability that SOL will continue fluctuating in the $100 to $200 range. With less.
I mean, I'm just gonna make my own price analysis first before we look at theirs. Seeing a top of 1,400, 1,300 shows you that BNB is not slowing down. Seemingly October 2023 has been bullish for BNB. So 23,000, 24,000, 230 and all these price ranges. It shows you that XRP right now, it does have potential. Like it shows you that they're going to keep buying even if the prices drop. So it's not even that big of a problem. Like even if the prices drop for BNB and XRP and whatever, it's no problem, because they can buy more. They're one of the biggest exchanges, so they could do buybacks, they could do burns, and a lot of this I don't think we're gonna see BNB at 200 anymore, because now it has formed a new resistance level. What I do think, however, is once a true bear market starts, which might never even happen, is BNB could suffer more, and that's why they need more buybacks. But again, it's the biggest exchange in the world. They have unlimited money, and they're not going to let BNB fail. This is what I like about BNB. This is why I'm bullish on it, because literally during the biggest bear markets of 2023, they were still above $200. And a lot of the whales have cashed out their BNB. A lot of the whales are still holding it because they believe in the product. Like, it's one of the most returned gains ever.
Less than a 15% chance of rising above $350 in the near future. This kind of clarity helps you know exactly what to expect. And for our final analysis today, let's look at Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency with a substantial market share, $5,600 in the next 3 months.
So yeah, look at this. It's not very likely Ethereum hits that, but it's more likely, I guess, that it hits 3,300. So what's that for BNB here? Where do they talk about BNB here? Like, you can't even find the BNB charts. XRP. Where's BNB? Solana. I couldn't find it. Ethereum.
Instructions on how to install the indicator are waiting for you.
But yeah, overall, it just seems like it's growing on an uptrend. What's the new high going to be? Well, that's a good question. What is going to hit? Like, is it going to stay stable above $1,000? They're offering a lot of products, more and more products right now. And this is where, BNB hits in. You see all of them, like the community. Like, you see all their live streams. You see what's possible. You see that they're building their own Facebook type. It's not just like another Ethereum layer 1 token, layer 2, whatever you want to call it. It's more than that. It's they're building an entire brand around it with and they have so many assets. Like, BNB has infinite resources, and this is really going to help them in a bear market, because the amount of money that Binance is making is absolutely insane, which is good for them. Obviously, it's one of the biggest exchanges because it really helps people. So it kind of makes sense that BNB right now, is trying to form another high, just simply because it's doing what it needs to be doing. It's doing it's hiring very known people in the crypto space. It has a lot of, and again, this video is not financial advice. So again, trading is risky, but it definitely tells me that BNB it's gonna stay around for sure. It's the number 4, and it's like the sleeping giant right now. It's big. It's not big as a Ethereum or Bitcoin community, but it doesn't have to be. People are gonna be buying and selling it for trading anyway, and for vaults and all the other stuff. Maybe it could be used as a currency for some other methods. Maybe it's gonna be, maybe it's gonna be like you can join an event only by buying BNB. Imagine the value of that. So a lot of the stuff that we are seeing right now is is bullish, I'm seeing for BNB. But again, bear market's hitting, BNB is going to drop by the whales. But this doesn't mean it's going to drop to like 100. It could drop below 1,000. I don't think, $1,000, $2,000 is sustainable during the bear markets. But again, Bitcoin is also not going to be sustainable at those levels. So it gives you a really clear idea of what is going on right now. So we are going to be seeing more of that pretty much soon. Like there just seems to be like an uptrend. It's forming higher lows, and it just needs to be doing what it needs to be doing. I don't know what else to say. If when it went to 1,400, it showed what's possible. It showed what needs to be done right, and it shows what people missed out on. And it definitely tells you like, hey, this is gonna stay. So if you guys wanna join me, down in the description below, there's gonna be a bonus for anyone joining on. There's like a deposit bonus. So I'm gonna be opening a position on BNB as well. I'm just waiting for this because I missed out on this candle, and I'm actually pretty up on XRP as well. Dollars anymore.
Hello,
like
and
2022, and this just shows that people are not giving up on Solana yet. Like a lot of people are saying Solana is gone, so who knows?